Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a true American classic, the 1971 Ford F100 4x4 pickup. This truck is a perfect blend of rugged durability and old-school charm, and we're going to break it down, from the exterior to the engine under the hood, and of course, how it drives. Let's get started. Exterior. Let's start with the exterior. The 71 F100 keeps that unmistakable boxy silhouette that made this generation of trucks iconic. The front end features a bold, dual headlamp setup, a wide chrome grille, and that proud Ford lettering stretching across the nose. This particular model is the 4x4 version, so you get added ground clearance, beefier leaf springs, and a more aggressive stance. This truck rides on 16-inch steel wheels with period-correct all-terrain tires, just begging for some off-road adventure. The rear is simple but functional: metal bumper, traditional tailgate with the classic stamped Ford logo, and plenty of room in the 8-foot bed-to-haul gear, wood, or whatever you're working with. Interior. Now, stepping into the cab, you're immediately reminded of a time when trucks were built tough and simple. No digital screens, no fancy tech, just steel, vinyl, and honest design. This F100 features a classic bench seat, usually finished in vinyl or cloth, depending on the trim level. The dashboard is straightforward: analog gauges with a speedometer, fuel, temp, and amp meters. You've got manual windows, manual locks, and even the original AM radio in this one, though a lot of owners swap those out for a hidden modern system. Performance. Under the hood, the 1971 F100 offered several engine options. Most 4x4s like this one came with the legendary 360 or 390 cubic inch V8. This one's packing the 360, a torque-heavy workhorse producing around 215 horsepower and over 350 pound-feet of torque. Power is sent through a 4-speed manual transmission with a floor-mounted shifter, and of course, a true 4x4 transfer case that you engage manually. No push buttons here, just old-school muscle and gears. Off-road, this truck holds its own. It's not fast, but it's unstoppable. Solid front axle, leaf springs, and that short wheelbase make it a capable trail crawler. On pavement, the ride is a bit bouncy, but that's all part of the charm. The 1971 Ford F100 4x4 pickup is a piece of American history on wheels. It's a simple, honest truck, no frills, no nonsense. Whether you're a collector, a restorer, or just someone who appreciates old-school iron, the F100 delivers raw charm, solid engineering, and plenty of potential. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more classic truck content, and let us know in the comments, what's your favorite old-school pickup? I'm your name, and we'll see you on the next ride. Subscribe, like, comment.